This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off web notifications on the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To turn on or off web notifications, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right in here, Notifications, you want to click on Settings off to the right side of Notifications. Down here towards the bottom, it says Block New Requests asking to allow notifications. If this box is checked, you should not be receiving any notifications. If it is unchecked, you're allowing notifications. Now, if you have this box checked and you're still getting notifications, that might be being caused by browser extensions, or you might have malware or something. Then you would go down to the bottom and you would click on Save Changes. That is how to turn on or off web notifications on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.